keeping a close eye on Capitol Hill, where the House is set to vote later today on a bill that would codify the right to same-sex marriage nationwide. This effort comes after Justice Clarence Thomas said in a concurring opinion to the Supreme Court's decision last month overturning Roe v. Wade that the court should reconsider its past rulings on other rights, including same-sex marriage. With us now to talk about this is Kansas Congresswoman Sharice Davids, who is leading the effort to pass this bill as co-chair of the Congressional LGBT Equality Caucus. So, Congresswoman, thanks for being with us. Tell us more about what this bill would do.
Yeah, well, first of all, I feel like we should acknowledge how many people, both part of the LGBTQ plus community and in so many communities across the country are actually feeling really scared and angry about the fact that we're even having this conversation right now. The Respect for Marriage Act would, in essence, it would repeal the Defense of Marriage Act, which, although Obergefell has been the law of the land, the Defense of Marriage Act was never repealed, and so we're definitely we need to get that done. And then the other thing we need to do is just make sure that for people who are married across the country, that they can go anywhere in our country and that their marriage will be respected, and all the legal rights and responsibilities that they have will be adhered to.
How do you get this to the president's desk when it's not clear if there are enough votes to get it through the Senate?
Yeah, well, I think that one of the things, first of all, one of the things we have to do is make sure we get it through the House, which we're going to do today. And then the other thing is on the Senate side, you know, there is bipartisan support for this bill, and my hope is that my Senate colleagues will, in essence, catch up with the rest of the country and support the rights of people to be able to get married and recognize that nobody should be discriminated against when it comes to creating their families and keeping their families together.
We know Senator Ted Cruz has agreed that it should be revisited, although he said it's unlikely the court would reverse the decision legalizing same-sex marriage. But you mentioned how Americans are feeling angry and worried. How worried are you that this right is still at risk?
Well, I mean, I certainly think that when you've got a Supreme Court justice calling into question a decision like Obergefell, which recognized same-sex marriage rights amongst people, that's concerning. It's concerning to have a United States senator calling that into question. And, you know, I mean, I would say I would just encourage Senator Cruz to, again, catch up with the rest of the country and recognize that people should be able to love who they love and have their rights respected, no matter what state they're in, as long as they're here in the United States.
Congresswoman Sharice Davids, thank you for your time.
Thank you.